Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word transoceanic. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The company specializes in transoceanic shipping, providing efficient and reliable transport of goods across seas and oceans. Transoceanic refers to activities or communication occurring across or spanning oceans, typically involving transportation, trade, or travel by sea. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.